Welcome to Cooking with Pops. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. Hey crew, today's video will be a chocolate peanut butter pie, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using 1 Oreo pie crust, 1 container of Cool Whip, peanut butter, semi-sweet chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and Reese's Minis. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and thumbs up the video. Let's get into our chocolate peanut butter pie video. Alright crew, so we're about to get into our chocolate peanut butter pie. We're going to use 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. One 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's room temperature. Alright crew, so we're going to cream our cream cheese and peanut butter together until smooth. We're going to add 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And now we're going to mix this until this is smooth. Okay crew, so moving along to the next step, we got our powdered sugar creamed together until everything is smooth. We're going to add 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. We're going to give this a mix and mix it until it's smooth. Alright crew, so we got everything mixed together and real smooth. We're going to add some Reese's Minis to our mixture. And we're simply going to fold it in. So moving right along crew, we're going to take our Oreo pie crust. We're going to smooth it out. Okay crew, so we're going to put our chocolate peanut butter pie in the refrigerator for 4 hours to allow it to chill. Okay crew, so I allowed my chocolate peanut butter pie to chill in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And this is what it looked like. We're going to finish off our chocolate peanut butter pie.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
Okay, crew, here's that famous close-up of our chocolate peanut butter pie.
Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
Alright, crew, so Queen gonna give it a taste and she gonna give y'all her opinion. And this will be our chocolate peanut butter pie. Have some?
That's good. I can say a lot about it, but it's good. And it's not super sweet. For anybody that's wondering, it looks too sweet, it's not.
Woo!
It's got like a little, a hint of tartness in there.
Gotta go back to you.
I don't know what it is, but you got something in there that balances the sweetness off. It tastes really good.
Now I'm done. Woo! Y'all gotta try this. I promise y'all, y'all will not regret it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment on the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know what I'm saying. Pops out. Peace.